number 5 drivers behind the lines in 3, 2, 1, go.
And we are off in this lower bracket match. Number 1, actually number 5, and we have a robot already scoring a piece of coral onto their reef for the Red Alliance. They collect a piece of coral. Looks like it might not be where they intended. We'll see if they're able to score it as time winds down in this autonomous period. Our drivers now control. We have 2 minutes, 15 seconds on the clock, and already we have a blue robot making their way to the red side of the field. It's Dream coming over to play some defense on these red robots, seeing if they can stifle their offensive efforts just a little bit. With 2 minutes on the clock, we have a score of 20 for our red number 8 seed alliance to a score of 9 for our 5 seeded blue alliance as things get going here in this match. Cashew Chickens with a piece of coral in tow. Looks like they're carefully deciding where they want to place it. They go all the way up to L4, place it there, and make their way back to their human player station. Meanwhile, alliance partner Rambunction grabbing a piece of coral from their human player station. They decide to place it on L3 and make their way back, making some efficient coral cycles. Back over on the red side of the field with 1 minute and 30 left to go. Our score is 48-36, still favoring our number 8 seeded red alliance. Whoa, red robot comes across the field, sending cages of flurry and looking to process a piece of algae for their alliance. Defense still being played by Dream on these red robots, seeing if they can slow down their cycles to and from their human player stations. And now meet robot 1775 at their human player station, slowing them down just a touch. 3 red robots back to playing offense for their alliance. Looks like we have the army ants displacing a piece of algae, chasing it down, seeing if they can grab that from around a blue robot and making their way to their coral, their processor, to see if they can process that algae. They do. They place that in the hands of a blue human player, and we'll see if he can convert that into points for blue. He does. 4 points for blue off the exchange, 6 for red, and army ants now trailing another piece of coral. We have 40 seconds left in our match. Our score is 92 for our number 8 seeded red alliance, 72 for our 5 seed alliance as things wind down in this match. Back to our action on the blue side of the field. Cashew Chickens and Rambunction furiously removing coral algae from their reef and placing coral in its place, seeing if they can advance their scores and tighten things up as our clock winds down. Still good defense being played by Dream on the 1775 robot, who now places a piece of coral on L2. Dream already parked with about 9 seconds left in this match. A score of 115-83 as our time winds down. We have 1 robot that might be, they're trying to see if they can do a deep hang. Another robot on for red already as our clock hits 0. 115-83 our score. It's the Red Alliance winning this one. Red Alliance has won match number 5 with a score of 131-89 in this first lower bracket match. This means that they will advance and continue to play in the lower bracket. However, our number 5